Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to refresh your Discord profile picture with a brand new look? You are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your Discord profile picture in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in, get started. First of all, open the Discord app on your phone. After opening the Discord app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom to open the menu. In the menu here, you can see the edit profile option. Tap to open it. After this page, you can see your current profile picture. Under this section, tap on the pencil editing icon. Here you can tap on the upload image option. Then choose your gallery. In the gallery page, you can select the exact photo if you want to set. For example, I am this photo set, so choose it. Once you choose them, simply adjust the photo size or ratio if you like. Once everything is good, if you are happy, simply hit the checkmark icon at the top and wait to complete the process. And that's it. You can successfully change your Discord profile picture. If you found this tutorial is help you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides and turn on notification bell icon so you never miss our next upload. See you soon.